Alright guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to actually automate current music, and yes, today's video won't be heavily edited as we're running a little bit short on time, but guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So how do you actually automate current? And yes, the interface actually did change, as you guys can see right here. Well, we're gonna go ahead and actually go over to the App Store, and you guys can go ahead and find this link in the description and download this auto clicker. From here, all you guys have to do is enable multi-target mode, click that little plus button, and go back over to current. Now after running it for a while, you guys will see this little tab up here, this red bar that says music earning is off. Tap here to activate. Now we're gonna go ahead and actually show you guys how to automate this and get rid of that automatically. So the first thing we're gonna do is actually drag this little circle over to the top of where the red button or the red bar is, sorry, and just have it right in the center like so. And as you guys can see, you're gonna go ahead and actually carefully click that little circle and change this to 5 seconds. Click OK. Now you're gonna go ahead and actually press that little play button again to pause the actual clicking of it, and then add another circle right here, as you guys can see, which you'll go ahead and drag over the view add section. And we're just gonna go ahead and actually carefully click that circle once again. Then go ahead and actually change this box to 35 seconds. Click OK once you actually completed it. And once you guys gone ahead and actually set up the second button, what you guys are gonna do is actually click that play button. Oops, the play button once again. And as you guys can see, it is automatically playing an ad, which we'll just go ahead and wait for it to load up. Next, you guys are going to go ahead and actually click this little plus button once again, and that should bring up a third little circle right here. And we're going to go ahead and actually drag the circle up to the top right corner, and then from there you're just going to go ahead and carefully click that third button once again. Change this to, we're going to put this at 7 seconds. Click OK. And now what you guys can do is actually, now the last step is to actually go ahead and create one more circle. Drag that one all the way to the bottom right here. Now you're gonna go ahead and set this to around 90, because apparently it resets every hour or hour and a half. I'm not too sure, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the safe side and leave it at an hour and a half. Now after you guys go ahead and do that, just press play, and that is pretty much it. This should go ahead and actually run all by itself. And yeah, you guys don't really need to do much anymore. And as you guys can see, we got current music earning once again. And yes guys, just leave it right here on the screen. Do not go back over to the earn section, just leave it as so right here, and hopefully it should work for you guys. If you do have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'll try to answer it as best as I can. With that being said, go ahead and actually subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the video on screen right now. It'll show you guys more ways of making more money online. So I'll see you guys over there. Until then, thank you so very much for watching once again. Peace out for now.